Today I will solve question number 50. The question is air discharges steadily through a horizontal nozzle and impinges on a stationary vertical plate as shown in figure. The inlet and outlet areas of the nozzle are 0.1 meter square and 0.02 meter square respectively. Take air density as constant and equal to 1.2 kg per meter cube. If the inlet gauge pressure of air is 0.36 kilopascal, the gauge pressure at point O on the plate is dash kilopascal. Round off to 2 decimal places.
Now solving this question. This is our diagram. This is a nozzle and this is the inlet of this nozzle and this is the outlet of this nozzle, and at the inlet the pressure is given as 0.36 kilopascal and the outlet pressure is atmospheric pressure. Okay, so the air coming out from the nozzle is striking to this stationary plate. Okay, so we have to find the pressure at this point O. Okay, these values are given to us. Rho is equal to this 1.2 kilogram per meter cube, and A1 is equal to this value and A2 is equal to this value. Okay, A1 is inlet area of the nozzle, A2 is the outlet area of the nozzle, and this is the reference line. Okay, now applying Bernoulli equation on these 2 points A and B. So according to Bernoulli equation, P1 upon rho g plus V1 square upon 2g plus Z1 is equal to P2 upon rho g plus V2 square upon 2g plus Z2. Here Z1 and Z2 are equal, so our equation will become P1 upon rho g plus V1 square upon 2g is equal to P2 upon rho g plus V2 square upon 2g, or P1 is the absolute pressure, which is written as P gauge 1 plus P atmospheric upon rho g. Okay, minus of P2 is atmospheric pressure, so it will be equal to P atm upon rho g is equal to V2 square upon 2g minus of V1 square upon 2g. Okay, or Pg1 upon rho g is equal to V2 square upon 2g minus V1 square upon 2g. This is the our equation first. Now according to continuity equation, rho 1 A1 V1 is equal to rho 2 A2 V2. Here density of the air is constant throughout the process, so rho 1 equal to rho 2. Okay, so remaining equation will become as A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2, or A1 is 0.1 and V1 is equal to 0.02 V2. So finally V2 is equal to 5 V1. This is equation second. Now from equation first, rho g1 upon rho g is equal to V2 25 V1 square upon 2g minus V square upon 2g. So it will be equal to rho g1 is 0.36 kilopascal, converted it into Pascal, upon rho g is equal to 24 V1 square upon 2g. Now we will calculate V1. When we will calculate V1 will be equal to 5 meter second, or V2 will be equal to 5 V1. means 25 meter per second. Now focus on these 2 points. Now applying Bernoulli equation on these two lines B1, B and O. So P G2 upon rho G plus V2 square upon 2G and Z1 and Z2 are same here, equal to P 2 upon rho G plus 0, because here the velocity is 0. Okay, so this equation will become P2 upon rho G is equal to P G2 upon rho G plus V2 square upon 2G. Here we have to calculate P2 is PO. Okay, PO upon rho G is equal to Pg2. Okay, so this is P atmospheric upon rho G plus V2 25 into 25 upon 2G. Okay, now PO can be written as PGO plus P atmospheric upon rho G will be equal to P atmospheric upon rho G plus 25 into 25 upon 2G, or PGO upon rho G will be equal to 25 into 25 upon 2G. So calculating PGO and gauge pressure at point O will be equal to 25 into 25 into rho is 1.2 upon 2. G will be cancelled out. Okay, when we will calculate this will become as 375 Pascal, and we have to calculate this value in kilopascal. So PGO, gauge pressure at point O, will be equal to 0.375 kilopascal. According to get answer key, the answer of this question was given as 0.37 to 0.39. So our answer is the correct answer. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, comment and share the videos.